Okay, guys, this is exam 2, question number 5. Prove that for all integers a, b, and c, if a divides b and a divides c, then a divides 2b minus 3c. So as a reminder, when I say that a divides b, what I really mean, another way of saying this rather, that was not good. Another way of saying that is that b is equal to a times some integer k, right? K has to be an integer. Same thing would go for AC. I just replaced the C here, and then it would even apply here. So as usual with these proofs, I'm going to start with an aside. I'm going to write down everything I know and see if I can work out the problem. And so I know that A, B, and C are integers, but it's not just any integers. They have to meet this criteria. So instead of writing A divides B, I'm just going to write B is equal to A times K. I'm going to write down, instead of A divides C, I'm going to write down C is equal to A times L. Keep in mind K and L have to be different variables. They don't, otherwise you're implying that it's the same number. And the question that I'm asking is 2b minus 3c is equal to A times M. And this is for all integers A, B, C, K, L, and M. Okay? So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug in B and C into this equation and see if I can get this form. Right? So 2b minus 3c is equal to 2 times AK minus, is that minus? Yep. Minus 3 times AL. That's equal to, so that's just 2AK minus 3AL. Notice how I can factor out an A. That's equal to A times 2K minus 3L. And I want you to notice that 2K minus 3L, no matter what integers for K and L we have, that has to be an integer. So that's equal to AM, where M is equal to 2K minus 3L is some integer. So this is what we're going to do to prove it. All right? The only difficult thing is kind of the beginning wording, I think. So let A, B, and C be any integers that satisfy what is it? A divides B and A divides C. By definition, B is equal to A times K for some integer K, and C is equal to A times L for some integer L. Therefore, okay, so 2b minus 3c is equal to 2 times AK minus 3 times AL is equal to, we can take out the A, so that's A times 2K minus 3L is equal to AM, where M equals 2K minus 3L is some integer. We can conclude that A divides 2B minus 3C for integer values, integers, let's say A, B, and C, such that A divides B and A divides C. And we're done. QED.